his trades community after this accident rallied around him to be able to help make his home more accessible. Ramps to be able to get inside, bathroom remodels to, be able to make things easier within the home. And that's when he realized that this same type of situation, these freak accidents, happen all the time. And he said so many people, no one is prepared for that.
Yeah.
But we have a community around us within the trades that's what he started thinking was this could be something, again, by the trades for the trades, where something happens to one of our trade people community or in the community of our people, that then we rally together to be able to help them. And that's exactly what has happened. So the foundation has evolved and evolved, over the years, and they're helping people that have gone through these debilitating accidents or injuries or something of that nature that have left them paralyzed or something like that.